Okay, so I just got a new microphone and I thought it's only right, that I launched this my new microphone with a story time. So story time. I feel like I can actually cry right now. Oh my days. Look at my skin. God, there is no love. This man steady gets me on my nerves. Men are scum. Go get your own scum. So I'm making this video because I think I have a video that I want to upload, but I'm going to upload it when my testimony is complete because it was not complete. So I made that video, and let me just say something. I hope that um my testimony is complete. I pray that my testimony actually comes to reality because I can't even lie to you. I've gone through the most like these past few weeks. Today is 2nd September. Towards the ending of August, I had it like really, really, really rough, like crazy rough. It was not even funny. Um, there was a course I wrote in second year that I carried over for like 5 years. JS, it was a JS course, and the reasons for which I carried it over were very, very annoying and irritating. But that's besides the point. But anyways, I wrote this exam 1 year after, like after school. That's 1 year after graduation, and I finally passed the exam. I just want to thank God. I just want to give glory to God because I cried just last week because my name wasn't part of the graduation list, and God just decided to answer me, and just I don't know, like I passed this course that has been giving me headache for like 5 years. Five. I'm grateful. I have no I don't want to say anything more than that because I don't want to thwart my blessings. But I'm really, really grateful. In my heart, God knows that there is gratitude. Like I'm so grateful. It could have only just been Him. So just think that this morning I was telling my sister-in-law that I don't know if I should go and do a second degree because I don't know if this my certificate will come out. And if I go and do a second degree, the course I've always wanted to do is law. If I go and do law now, that's like a 5-year course. I'm 22, that's 27. Then I will do I don't forget what they call it, law school. That's 1 year. If I will now come out and now and if I'm doing that, if I'm doing like law, even if I want to travel outside and do like travel outside and try to further my studies, I think I'll have to redo like the law again. Like I'm just really, really grateful. I'm just really, really grateful. So when my testimony is complete, I'm going to compile all the videos and I'm going to put it out there. It's just for anybody that is going through exactly the things I went through. Okay. My husband is making spaghetti. For the first time, I'm not there. I'm not whispering in his ear. Let's see how it's going to turn out, guys. Let's just see. Glory, good job, good job, good job. You're raising a good man. He's a good man, Savannah. He's a big man.
Don't stop him.
You may not. You have not me this morning. And now I'm trying to get back to myself and you're doing anyhow. You're not telling me sorry. But I know me this morning. You refuse to talk to me. You say you don't have my time.
You said anything on that? No.
I am. What did you say? What did you just say now? You just said they don't have my time again. Don't try to compliment me in this one. Yeah. Continue being wicked. It's people that don't know you that think you are kind. You are very wicked. Oh, scum! Go get your own scum! If they came with food. I don't know what I'm thinking. But it's fine, I'm not complaining. Like, I like this, but the microphone, but you ain't not too much because I was telling Nada that you're buying me. That don't worry, that my microphone gonna have, yeah, that I'm starting podcasts. I just hope this light is very bright. Open at this light is very bright, then we don't have a problem.
From the title, oh wait, let me make it more smothering. From the title below, you already know what this video is about. I hope you've liked this video, and I hope you've subscribed to the channel. Okay, so hello guys, how are you guys doing today? It's an amazing morning, and I just wanted to have a conversation with you guys. There's been this trending video that about a girl that committed suicide in EBSU because of carryover courses that she had, or because of a particular lecturer. I don't have the exact details, so I would not want to talk too much about it. I just want to say RIP, rest in peace, and to every other person that is out there that is struggling, please, suicide is not an option. I know it's difficult, I know it's hard, but suicide is not an option. Please, like, I would rather you even drop out than commit suicide. So suicide is not an option.